Today's dictation of sounds is going to focus on our new sounds that we've learned, ing, ang, ong, ung, as well as some of the other digraphs or blends that we have reviewed throughout the year. Okay, so go ahead and get your materials ready and make sure you're saying them with me as you write them, either using your board and marker, pen and paper, pencil and paper, sand and tray, however you want to do it. All right, eyes on me. The sound is ing. Repeat, ing. I-N-G says ing. Okay. Eyes on me. The sound is qu. Repeat, qu. Q-U says qu. Remember, they're married. They do not like to be apart. Eyes on me. The sound is sw. Repeat, sw. SW says sw. Eyes on me. The sound is shre. Repeat, shre. SHR says shre. It's got that digraph in there, that SH sound. All right, eyes on me. The sound is str. Repeat, str. It's a three-letter blend. What do you hear? Str. S-T-R says str. Eyes on me. The sound is ang. Repeat, ang. It's one of the new ones. A-N-G says ang. Make sure you're saying these out loud as you're writing them. That helps your brain to remember them. Eyes on me. The sound is eh. Repeat, eh. E says eh in English. I know that one's a little bit confusing for some of you who speak Spanish. All right, eyes on me. The sound is xt. Repeat, xt. XT says xt. Okay, see if you got them. See if yours match mine. All right, got a few more. Eyes on me. The sound is ong. Repeat, ong. O-N-G says ong. Eyes on me. The sound is I. Repeat, I. I says I. This is the one we usually confuse with the E, the short E sound. All right, erase. Two more. Eyes on me. The sound is ung. Repeat, ung. Another new one. U-N-G says ung. Okay. Last one. Eyes on me. The sound is A. Repeat, A. A says A. When we have that open syllable, no consonant after it, it's going to say A. Great job today with your dictation of sounds.